anticipate that the spring is going to be really light for your legs, but once you add these pull-ups in, it won't feel so light anymore. Now, the question I always get is, do I need to scoot down off the shoulder rest? Well, the answer is no, because if you scoot down off the shoulder rest, you're going to end up getting pulled back up against them anyways. If your brain or your client, either one, is asking you, why is this bothering my shoulders? It's usually because they've straightened their arms too far. So let me show you this. I'm going to bring my knee back, my other knee back, and I get to the top, and here's where I just take a second. All right, so I want to reiterate that when I'm teaching this to a client, I'm not going to have them start like this because that really does bother the shoulders. So I have them find the bar, get the knees back, and we hold up here for a second. Now I ask them to only lower as far as they can without the shoulder rest being a bother. It's doesn't make sense until you are feeling it in your own body. So again, it's just, if you scoot off the shoulder rest, you're going to get jammed back up into them anyways because of the way that the equipment's moving. So just keep that in mind. We're going to do 8. This is 7. And this is 8. Now, take a moment. You can rest. Now I had my palms down for that set. I'm going to flip the grip, turn my palms up, and do another set of 8 with the palms up. So again, I bring my feet off the bar, and then I get up there, set the shoulders as best I can off my ears, and then pull. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and I rest. Now, I'm going to sit up and go to my lightest spring for 1 arm pull-ups. So you can navigate the spring you need for your body. Anticipate that the spring is really, really light for pushing up with your legs. Now, I have a little trick I do for this. I normally only teach or do one version of this, so depending on whether your preference is the palms up or palms down one, just pick it. I always like palms down. Here's my little trick. I put my feet on the frame, and I actually use my feet just a little bit. I'm not using my feet a lot, but I am just getting a little bit of the tension out of the spring by holding myself with my legs so that I can get my shoulders the way I like them. Now I'm just going to put my left hand kind of on my tummy here. My right hand is holding, and I'm trying to use only my arm. But if I need my legs, I just give them a little bit of weight into the frame, and then that helps me to work with a little bit better form. So even though I'm on a light spring, this is really, I think it's really challenging. Now I've done 6. I'm going to pull to the top and hold, switch hands, bring my hand, other arm down, and 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll just reach my feet to the foot bar, wherever it is, and come all the way in.